In this video we're going to have a look at iFrames. An iFrame is an internal frame. It's a section of your page that you designate and you can load information into it. In the first example here we obviously have our basic layout for this in our elements. The element is iFrame, and within there we've got our width, which we can set, our height, and then the next part of it is our source, and this is where we are deriving the information from. In this case I'm going to load Kristen's website into the iFrame. Then, as in all other frames and tags that we're working, we have to close it off, so we have the /iframe to close that. But our iFrame isn't just limited to loading a single page in. I can actually use this as a dynamic space that I can load multiple pages or multiple resources in. For example, I could be loading the Kristen website in, but then I could load another site into it. Or within a site I could have multiple sets of information loaded into there, so I can actually prepare one master page and then drop lots of subpages into it. So let's have a look at how we do this. There are two changes that I've had to make. The first thing I've done is I have named my iFrame, and in this case I've called it name equals gallery. So this is what it's going to be, a gallery for receiving information. And then in my anchor tag, because I'm going to put in an anchor, I'm going to put in a target, and I'm also going to call this gallery. So I'm going to target the content of my target resource into that iFrame. Here is the before and after. As I click on the Kristen link, it loads the Kristen page into the iFrame. The target attribute can be used in a number of different ways, not just to load into a frame or an iFrame. We can also use it to do various other things. For example, if we go target equals _ new, this is going to open the target site in a new either tab if it's a tab browser, or window if it's not a tab browser. If we go target equals _ self, it will open it in the same frame. And if we're still working with frames and we go target equals _ parent, it will open it in the parent frame. We can also use our anchor to link within a page. First thing we have to do is identify the part we want to link to. In this case I've gone to a heading 2 and I've called it ID equals key points. In my anchor I go anchor href equals hashtag key points, close off the speech marks, close off the tag. That's now going to link within the page to the part that has been identified as key points. This is very useful when you might have a large amount of content in one page that you need to navigate to.